Hi mga kachupos!
Hello mga kachupol, si Jeffrey Santos po ito.
Hello sa inyo mga kachupols. God bless at mag-enjoy everyday and mabuhay kayo hanggang gusto nyo.
Hello mga kachupos! This is your girl Christine and I hope to see you guys soon.
Anthony
Mwah.
number 200.
Hello mga kachupas! Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga kachupols at ngayon ay day 1 ng Bumper to Bumper at kasama natin si Ma'am Emma.
Hi everyone, I'm Maria M. Arbicos, currently 21. I've been modeling for about a few months now. I've started since October. This booth in particular is Carbon Zone. Ito po yung minomodel ko ngayon and I'm very happy that I am here enjoying the beautiful scenery of the sports cars. Actually, any car that I see right now.
Nice. And Ma'am Emma, regarding po pala sa mga car show, Ma'am, is this your first time po ba na mag-join sa ganitong event, Ma'am?
This is my second time. However, hindi pa ako ganun ka-familiar sa system ng car shows, but I'm really enjoying it.
And Ma'am Emma, regarding po pala sa mga event na to, Ma'am, nakapaglibot-libot na po ba kayo ngayon, Ma'am?
Maglilibot pa lang sana, but ayun nga, na-picturean kasi. So, ayun, baka later maglibot-libot ako kasi I really like cars.
And Ma'am, regarding po pala sa cars, ano pala yung dream car nyo na gusto nyong ma-own or parang ma-test drive, Ma'am?
Porsche GT3 RS.
Nice.
Yes.
And Ma'am, regarding po pala sa Ma'am, sa status nyo, gusto kasi malaman ng ating viewers, Ma'am.
Yeah.
Are you single right now, Ma'am?
Masaya po. Hindi, joke lang. I am single, but I don't think I'm ready for something serious kasi I'm busy with studies. I'm currently studying pharmacy and I'm planning to continue or pursue med. So, ayun. Really focus on career first.
And Ma'am Emma, regarding po pala sa inyong vital stats, Ma'am, kung meron na po kayong set card, kung aware po kayo, Ma'am, ano po yung current vital statistics niyo po?
Currently, 39, 25 on a good day kasi the hips is
Okay.
40. So like if low waist, medyo if low waist yung sukat, umaabot siya ng 29 kasi my hips is around 40 inches. Yeah. So ayun.
And ayun, Ma'am, Ma'am, upcoming event na planning na gusto niyo mag-join or parang mapabilang doon, Ma'am?
Miss Universe. Hindi, joke lang. Hindi pa ako sure kasi yun nga super busy, but any event na ma-invite ako, why not? If I have the time.
Nice. And ayun, Ma'am, any social media or business na gusto niyo pong i-plug sa ating mga viewers po?
Wala pa akong page currently, but you can add me on IG. My username is @luna_ems. Yun lang po.
And once again, thank you, Ma'am Emma.
Welcome. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Welcome po.
Hello mga ka-chupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng Bumper to Bumper at kasama natin si Miss Rob Ginto.
Hello, guys.
Hello mga ka-Chupos, at ngayon ay day 1 ng Bumper to Bumper at kasama po natin si Ma'am Corinne.
Hello po!
And ma'am, ano pala yung booth nyo ngayon sa ma'am, B2B ma'am?
Don Euro Carfoil, please follow.
And ma'am Corinne, regarding po pala sa event na to, is this your first time po ba na ma-invite po sa B2B ma'am?
Yeah, and I'm enjoying it so far. Nakakatuwa.
And ma'am, since when kayo nag-start as a model ma'am?
What's up mga ka-chupos?
Hello mga ka-Chupos, at ngayon ay day 2 ng Bumper to Bumper at syempre kasama natin ang